In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and format maps in PowerPoint. Tutorial. Maps are a great way to display geographic data and make your presentations more visually engaging. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Next, open the presentation where you want to add the map. Once your presentation is ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, click on Chart. A new window will appear showing different chart categories. Select Map from the list of chart types. Next, choose Filled Map. The Filled Map option allows you to display geographic regions based on your data. After selecting it, click OK. PowerPoint will now insert a map chart into your slide. At the same time, an embedded datasheet may appear where you can enter your own information. Simply replace the sample data with your own values. As you update the data, the map will automatically adjust to reflect the information. You can also customize the map by changing colors, editing labels, adjusting chart styles, resizing the map, formatting the design to match your presentation theme. Maps are especially useful for displaying sales by region, population data, geographic comparisons, business performance, statistical trends. Using maps in PowerPoint can help make complex information easier to understand and more visually appealing for your audience. And that's it. You've successfully inserted and formatted a map in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tutorials and presentation tips.